I'm Senguttuvan application engineer from Kimmco ISOVER Kuwait. Now I'm just doing the demonstration for the pre-insulated duct. Okay, coming to the toolbox. Okay, this is we called red tool, and this blue tool. Okay, for the end piece. Okay, for making the flap and doing the stapler and tape. So that purpose we are making this tool. And this is for spatula. We call spatula for applying the tape and doing the rubbing. Yeah, these are the tools we have used for this CLIMAVER.
Thank you, very clear.
Yeah, now we'll do the demonstration for small size. Okay, for the fabrication.
Very good.
Yeah.
Let's start.